Appenzell, Switzerland is about a 3.5 hour drive from Stuttgart and the perfect getaway for a 4-day weekend. We first came to check out this area because Ryan's late Uncle Lucian grew up in St. Gallen, and we wanted to go check it out. St. Gallen is a beautiful town with lots of great restaurants and shops and some beautiful architecture. Worth a visit if you're in the area. Appenzell is just a little south of St. Gallen, and if you're living in Stuttgart, you need to add this to your list of 4-day weekend trips. The only trouble in coming to this area is finding affordable lodging. On our first visit, we stayed in a cute farm just outside of St. Gallen, and the second visit, Erica and I stayed in a small room inside the home of a nice older couple. So just make sure to budget a bit more for lodging, or maybe find a good camping spot. On both of our trips to Appenzell, we rented e-bikes and a trailer for the kids. There are extensive trails through the area and so much breathtaking scenery. Erica and I happened upon this beautiful covered bridge where we hopped off the bikes for a bit. Eventually, we made our way back into town for Erica to fall off her bike one final time and to try some Appenzeller fondue and local beer. The fondue here was not my favorite. In a future video, I'll tell you about the best cheese and fondue ever and where to get it. Beyond biking, Appenzell is an adorable little town just to walk around and explore. And there's a really great playground right in the middle of town. The best part about this area, though, is all the hiking and excursions that are nearby. There's the Mountainside Restaurant, which I made another video about, the hike out to Saxer Lüke, the hike to Seealpsee Lake, and so many more that we haven't gotten to yet. Erica and I also, just on a whim, did a little evening stroll out to this beautiful waterfall that we had all to ourselves. I cannot recommend this area enough for nature lovers and for families. Just be sure to prepare your wallet, and don't forget to purchase a vignette if you'll be driving. Up next, I'll be making a video about the popular Füssen and Garmisch-Partenkirchen area. If you have any other favorite 4-day weekend excursions from Stuttgart, please leave them in the comments below.